working with a variety of different clients from all ages and different life experiences that they're going through, and being able to meet with them each week and see the little bit of progress that they've made from talking together and finding out what is going to help them in their own lives has been really powerful.
I work with adults with developmental and intellectual disabilities, and although it wasn't a population that I was originally familiar with, the training has prepared me to really make a difference in their lives.
We are delighted you are interested in our CACREP accredited Master of Science program in Clinical Mental Health Counseling. Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Laura Kestenberg. I'm the director of the Clinical Mental Health Counseling program at Molloy College. The Molloy CMHC program offers academically rigorous courses with a special focus on developing your clinical skills. Students in our program not only cultivate their counselor identity, but also engage in a process of personal transformation. In 2019, our CMHC program founded our Mental Health and Wellness Center, which is an on-site clinic serving the needs of our Long Island community. Our graduate students can hone their clinical skills and train at our clinic under the direct supervision of licensed mental health practitioners.
At this point in the second year of the program, I've begun my practicum hours, and I'm at our new Mental Health and Wellness Center at Molloy College. So I'm working with clients for the very first time, and it's been a really life-changing experience to put into practice what I've been learning about for the past 2 years.
This program has truly been life-altering. I feel like I am so close to my dreams of really making a difference in the world and helping others, and I'm doing it in a place that feels like home.
Since I was a teenager, I've known that I wanted to help others, and through my education I discovered the field of counseling, but it wasn't until really coming to this program, learning all of the skills, and then eventually getting the opportunity to work with clients that I feel so at home that this is my purpose of what I'm meant to do in life.